In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new page into an existing PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro 11. Whether you're updating a document, adding new content, or just wanting to integrate multiple files, this process can be a straightforward task. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, we begin by opening our PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro 11. If you're familiar with the layout, you know the user interface is designed to help you easily manage your PDF documents. Once your file is open, our next task is to navigate to the right hand side where you'll see the page thumbnails icon. This icon helps by giving you a visual layout of your document's pages, allowing for a more intuitive navigation and selection process. Now, on to the main task, inserting a new page. Look to the top right where you'll find a command that says Insert Pages. Clicking on this will guide you through the next steps. A dialog box will pop up. This is where you select the file you wish to insert. Navigate to your file, select it, and then click Open. It might seem simple, but choosing the right file is crucial, so double check you've got the correct one. Once you've chosen your file, an Insert Pages dialog box will appear. This is where you decide where exactly you want to place the new page within your document. Depending on your needs, you can place it at the beginning, end, or even after a specific page. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click OK to confirm. A pro tip here is to think about the flow of your document. Ensure the new page logically fits into your existing structure. Now, alternatively, there's an extra feature that Adobe Acrobat Pro 11 provides, located at the top left, called All Tools. Clicking on All Tools will present you with a variety of options. Here, find and click on Organize Pages. This section provides another method to manage and insert pages into your PDF. Within Organize Pages, hit the Insert option. This will yet again prompt you to select the source of your file and guide you to the familiar Insert Pages dialog box. At this stage you already know the drill. Decide where the new page fits within the PDF and confirm your selection. By following these steps you ensure that your document is updated to meet your needs and is professionally structured. And there you have it, a complete guide to inserting a new page into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro 11. I hope this tutorial helped simplify the process. Remember, with a bit of practice, managing PDFs can become a seamless part of your workflow. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy editing.